Meaning of equatorial.
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 Equatorial. Equatorial refers to something related to or located at or near the Earth's equator, which is an imaginary line that circles the globe at 0 degrees latitude. Because of its location, areas around the equator typically experience warm temperatures and high humidity throughout the year and have a distinct range of animal and plant life. Equatorial regions can also experience heavy rainfall and are frequently subjected to tropical storms. The equatorial region is an important area for climate research, as it plays a significant role in global weather patterns and has a large impact on biodiversity.